What's up guys, Listed Gamer here. Today I am going to be doing the microwave challenge. It's technically where you burn a bunch of stuff, or you bring a bunch of stuff, put it in the microwave, and heat it up and see what it does. So first we're going to start off with something simple, like something you put in your ear, just stop noise. Stop it. I'm just moving it. Oh, shoot,
this microwave does not have a microwave plate. So, and plus it don't work that good, so we're throwing it away. That's why we are using this. And please don't try this at home. Only try it at your friend's house. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this in there. I wish we had a way where we can see it. Because the microwave has like a bunch of holes in it. I mean, a bunch, like a giant plate. Okay, it's in there.
Gotta get it nice
Not
and
no
toasty.
more. Okay, sit down, 10 minutes. No, you gotta go. No, you don't do it like that. Hey, try doing this. Now do it. Now press time cook. There. 10. Wait, you can't see with my reflection in it. All I can see is me.
Move.
We may just have to show the after effects.
Yeah.
This might not do very much.
When we get to like 2 more minutes, I'll take it out and see what it does.
It might not do nothing. It's either not going to do nothing or it's just going to burst into a big ball of foam in there. Feel it. Is it hot? Is it hot in there? Oh, it's a little hot. Wait. Let's try this.
Yeah, let's do something else. I don't think that'll do anything. Got a bag of chips.
Oh, wait, no, you got to do it like this. I don't know if y'all guys have seen people do this, but this is amazing. Okay, you're going to have to show me this one.
Hold on.
Ouch. Ouch. Hot. Oh my gosh, it looks different. Look what it does. It like electrocutes the pack.
Want to go get another one?
Yeah, go get another.
Oh, no, we have to save them because I have to go to Springfield to get my tooth laser down. And that's what we have to eat. Alright, now we got a fish smoker.
I wonder what I'll do to the piece of paper we have. Coming up.
Oh, yeah, I can see that. That's bright and orange. Logan, get back.
It might just be foam. It might just might just melt the foam. Ow. I don't know if y'all can see it that good.
I think it's doing something.
I wish we had some cooler stuff to do. Feel it.
It's hard. It has a bunch of weight on it. And Dad, next we have a Pokemon card. Now, I really want to see what this will do.
Here. Okay, when he's doing that, I'm going to get the next thing.
I already had the next thing.
What is it? This thing's going to be cool.
Didn't do anything.
Well, here's the next brocken.
Next, we got some Play-Doh.
This one I have a feeling is gonna be cool.
Me too.
See, the only one I knew that it was actually gonna do right was the chip bag, because I've seen other people do that. Or it didn't turn out like like most people do.
Yeah, where is the chip bag?
I don't know where it went. I think I threw it on the ground.
Pick it up, Logan. I want to see if that's what my trophy case.
Doing something?
Oh
my, is it getting bigger? I swear it looks like it's getting bigger, don't it?
Look, hold it.
I swear it got bigger.
Guys, y'all want some mini cone chips?
I gotta take this out and look at it. I swear it's
Hold on. I can see the background. Look, total fat, 100 G. Whatever that thing says. Cheese.
Cheese.
Sodium, 140. Potassium, I don't even know.
Potassium?
Yeah, potassium.
Okay, I have to look at this. Whew. Oh, smoky. Ha!
It smells like Play-Doh.
It does smell like Play-Doh.
It's
hard. Oh, no, duh. Because when you cook Play-Doh, it gets hard. That's how they make those Play-Doh creation stuff. We should have molded it before we put it in there.
Oh, it's hot.
Ha! What, gnaw dip? Okay, now we have this. This is a used dryer filter. And after this, after we do this used one, we're gonna do a brand new one.
Something happened.
It probably unplugged.
No.
Over there, it probably unplugged.
No, what happened when you walk over there?
I think we broke the machine. I think it'd be broken. Nope. It's broke. Wait, hold the phone.
Guys, we're going to try to fix this. We'll see y'all in a minute. So, guys, we couldn't fix the microwave. We don't know what's wrong with it. So, we're just going to unplug it. Fixing to go put it up. We're just going to do one more thing. It's going to get real.
It's about to get real.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You missed.
Bad idea.
Move it away. Hold on. No, I got this. Softball. Softball. Here, it's my turn now. You don't miss your first chance.
You try. Okay. Go get the real baseball. I'm not breaking the glass on it. Go get the real baseball. That did not do nothing. You dented it. Yay, good job. I gotta go run and get the real baseball. Okay, there's the real baseball. Okay, it's going down. It's going down right now. Ready?
Don't hit the glass. Ding dong.
Woo!
Y'all gonna make me lose my mind.
Okay. I have a better idea.
No, we're done.
I got a piece of concrete. Oh, that done way more damage.
It didn't do anything.
Yes, it did. Look how much it dented it.
Oh, good.
Okay. Well, that's basically all of it for today.
Stop it. So, guys, that's all for today. I will see you guys in the next video. Stop it. Peace out, and I hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all like this, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you're new to this channel. And peace out.
And if your microwave don't work, just throw a bunch of baseballs at it, because that seems the right thing to
Logan,
do.
you were aiming it down when I was talking.
I know.
Why? Gotta retry that now.
No, bye guys.
No, if you're new to the channel, subscribe and like this video. In 3, 2, 1. Peace out.